guys, and welcome back to Tennessee Grillin' Smokin. I'm Dustin, and guys, I'm super excited about this. Check it out right here. The Ooni Karu 12 pizza oven. Just got it today, so can't wait to open this thing up. Done a lot of video research and watched the YouTube videos and everything on all the Ooni products, and this Karu 12 was the one that I determined I would want, and we went out to town today and got it. So let's break this thing open. Alright, so I just got her open here. Let's see, right here on top. A lot of protection right there. That's going to be the stone. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, that's nice and heavy. Pretty thick. Alright. Set it out of the way over here. The manual. Here we go. Got a little piece here. What's this? Alright, there's the back. Goes over the firebox. It looks like. Oven right here. All right. So far, so good. And as far as the box goes, that's all there is. We're just going to set this right here. All right, this is going to be your front. Okay. Alright, sorry about that, my phone cut off. But yeah, we got the front part, we got the back here. You can take a look at the Ooni. Got everything nice and packed in here, so we're going to get all that out. It looks like it's all packed all the way back to the back. So let's go ahead and start unpacking all that. Oh. Right in there tight. Can't get out of it. There we go. This box is really light. I don't even know if it might just be a space saver right there. Space saver right there. This one, this long one, looks like it's going to be the stack of the chimney stack there. It's really in there. Alright, that right there is probably like what moves. Here it comes. Jeez. Alright, talking about efficiency. Those guys utilize every bit of space inside there. Is that everything? That's everything right there. Now right here, you got the legs. Looks like they just want to fold up. Perfect. Yeah. Well, this is just going to be an empty box. Is it? Same thing with this one. Yep. Empty box. Just to help pack it tight in there and not let everything move around, which is really, really good. There's the front. Here. I believe this is going to be the firebox. Something else. Let's see. Yeah. Little Allen ring. Chimney a bit. Yeah, right there. All right. Last thing, stack right here. Now this looks like a very, very simple design. And most things I've encountered, anything that's real simple, usually works really good. And like I said, I just saw tons of videos of people putting out some pizzas out of this thing. And it's just amazing. They say you can pull them out in about 60 seconds. But then again, they say you do it that fast, you take a chance of burning that crust. A lot of times people say it's about the 2-minute mark if you just keep turning it. So I'm excited, man. I'm excited to get cooking on this thing, figure out the best way it works for me. All right. Okay. Easy enough. Now it's got the grooves. Looks like. Place. Switch right on. Sure, that's it. God, that was simple. What's the Allen wrench for? Oh yeah. Well, that looks pretty good right there. So I am gonna have to go back to the manual and see what the Allen wrench is for, because I don't really see anything else that I need to do. Okay. Be right back. Alright, I got it straightened out now. Alright, this right here is going to be your grating for your firebox. So you just place this down inside there, and it's got a little bit of a lean upwards there. Now you just take it with the lip facing out, and we'll run it all the way to the back on top of that little, hold on a second, I'll show you. All the way back on top of that little lifted spot right back in there. All right, so we'll go ahead and do that real quick. Then, let's go ahead and get your stone. We're going to go ahead and slide her in place. It's perfect. All right, no complaints. Now, all right, unlock this. That's all you do to the chimney is twist. That's all there is. You got your little flue in here. Control. That's all right. Again, that was pretty easy right there. All right. Now this right here, probably the simplest thing I've ever bought just to put together. We're just going to screw it so it locks, just like that. And she's ready to go. Front plate cover. I'll show you right back here. Get your back cover. Goes over top of your firebox. No. Alright, and as for the mystery Allen wrench, this draft box back here, you can see just an open vent up and through there. You can take this off by unscrewing those bolts right there. And now the reason you would take that off is you have an option. It's sold separately to convert this into propane or gas. Right now it's just charcoal or wood. So I believe I'm going to stick with the charcoal. I don't think I'm going to hook up the propane, but when you do, or if you do, this is what you take off, and they've got the adapter that goes in the side there. It also says there's a little spot under here. Right there you go. Store your Allen wrench. They have thought of everything. Check it out. All right. Guys, there's the Ooni. Super easy to put together. Simple design. It's a small box. That's going to contain a small fire, and it's going to get really, really hot. All right. What do you say we set this thing up and fire up? All right, guys, we're going to fire it up. We got a tumbleweed. We'll drop it down in there. And I got some of this royal oak black charcoal. We're just going to put some pieces on here. Fill her up. I'm not going to overfill it, but once we put it back there in the back, slide it all the way back, you can take this back off. You can put a little bit more in there, and in my case, I'm going to put a little bit of, I've got some hickory wood I'm going to put in there. So let's see if this will slide back. I have to rearrange it some more. What's in there? There we go. He's in place. Alright, so bring it back here. Now you can see on the back how it's kind of got a little bit more room to play with back here. I'm going to go ahead and light up my tumbleweed, get this charcoal started. Then we'll throw us a piece of wood on there for a flame and see how she heats up. Easy as that. I love those tumbleweeds. She's going. I'll give me a little piece. Might put me some more down when it burns down a little bit, but for now that'll do. And I'm going to go ahead and put the top on. Make sure the top fits flush, and it does. Alrighty. We're going to let her burn. I'll let you know how long it takes to get up to temperature. Alright guys, it has been 10 minutes. Let's check it and see where we're at. Right in the center, it's showing 445 degrees. Well, that heats up fast. We're going to give her about another 10 minutes. We'll come back and check it out. Alright guys, well, it's been about 25 minutes and I came out here to check it and I ran across a problem. My thermometer, my infrared thermometer only goes up to 536 and it maxes it out. That thing is screaming hot on the inside. I'll definitely have to do another video whenever I'll be doing another video pretty soon when I cook my first pizza. But I'll have a different thermometer, one that reaches higher temperatures. I hate that. That's one thing I didn't even plan for. But guys, that's my video on this. My thoughts so far, it's so easy, so simple to put together. It's just a really cool design. Got the firebox in the back that goes, it's multi-fuel. You can do charcoal, you can do wood, you can do all wood, you can do all charcoal. There's a lot of combinations, a lot of possibilities of how you can cook on this thing. You can also purchase the gas adapter for the back and go the propane route if you'd like to do that. The things that it didn't come with that you're going to need is I had to go and get a pizza pill. They didn't have any of the Ooni brand in stock. I have found the big green egg pizza pill at the Ace Hardware. Got it for like $20. And also, it does not come with the cover. I had to buy this. This was $40. It's the carrying cover. It's real lightweight, so you can pack. I mean, if you're going camping, just pick it up, carry it. Also, it's going to be stored out here, so you got to have a cover for everything out here. So yes, sir. Really, really impressed with it. Like I said, it's just so easy. And that's what's impressing me the most about it is just the simplicity of it. So I'm really looking forward to throwing out some pizzas. Probably we'll get on here tonight, throw out some, try it out, and but I'll definitely have a better thermometer. So hey, I really appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.